One product, $850,000 a year. That's what pays all our bills. And I'm not talking about some complicated multi-product empire or some viral TikTok thing. I'm talking about one boring everyday product on Amazon that I built from scratch. So if you're wondering what Amazon private label actually is and whether or not it's something that you can actually do, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand what it is, why it works, and honestly, why most people get it wrong. Let's start with the basics. Amazon is where people go to buy boring, everyday utilitarian products. You don't have to create demand. You don't need some revolutionary invention. One solid product can legitimately be your entire strategy. Plus, Amazon handles all the fulfillment and logistics. You focus on building the right product, and Amazon handles the rest, making it really easy to get started. Now, let me clarify what Amazon private label actually is, because there's a lot of confusion about this. Private label is not Amazon FBA arbitrage. You do not control anything there. Not the pricing, not the product quality, not the margin. Trust me on this one. I've done it. With private labels, you pick a product that has demand, you build it from the ground up, you make sure the margins are solid, the product is differentiated and is high quality, and then you launch it as a brand new product on Amazon. And over time, as you build traction and gather good reviews, that product becomes an income-generating asset. You're not constantly reinventing the wheel. You're selling the same product month after month, and it just works. Amazon is the place I recommend you start, but once you have a physical product, you can expand to TikTok Shop, Walmart, or Shopify, wherever you want. But Amazon is the easiest place to start because they handle all the logistics and have millions of buyers ready to go. Okay, now that you know what private label is, let's talk about 3 mistakes I see new sellers make and how you're going to avoid them. Because here's the thing. I'm going to walk you through all of this. Product selection, margins, doing things in the right order. That's what this series is all about. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. Hi, bird. Go away. I'm breaking down the entire process step by step, and you're going to want to follow along. All right. Mistake number 1. This is the biggest one. If your product doesn't have validated, stable demand, or it's a trend that's going to end in a few months, you're cooked before you even start. And if you pick a low quality product from a bad supplier who cuts corners, you're going to have bad reviews, returns, and constant headache. Product selection is everything. Get this right and the rest gets a ton easy. You need to have a strong margin from day one, so you have room to run sales during Prime Day, handle Amazon fees, deal with returns and tariffs, all of it. If you start with thin margins, you're gonna get squeezed and there's no way out. New sellers try to do too much too fast. They're trying advanced strategies before they've nailed the basics. They're trying to launch 3 products before they have one solid one, and it all falls apart. Do the right thing at the right time, and you'll actually get somewhere. Now, before we go any further, let me be really clear what this is not. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not passive income. I've tried those things. They didn't work for me. Maybe they work for you, and that's great. But if they haven't, this is different. This is a slow, steady, momentum-building thing where you actually build something real and stable. But while you're building it, you are doing the work. You're managing inventory, working with suppliers, maybe even managing agencies down the line. It's real work. But here's the thing. You're building an asset. You do this right, you build a product business with good, stable demand, and you'll actually have a business you could sell someday if you want. So here's the deal. If you avoid those 3 mistakes, pick the right product, you do things in the right order, and you start with good margins, you can actually build something real. In my next video, I'm gonna tell you my story, how I got started on Amazon, why I went all in on private label, and why I genuinely think this is the best way to get started on Amazon for beginners. If you want to see this in action, like actually watch me build a brand new product from scratch and launch it on Amazon, you should check out my Build With Me series. I'm documenting every step I'm taking to build a brand new product for my brand and posting about it every week. If you want to learn by watching me actually do the process, that's where you should be. All right, let's build something real. I'll see you in the next one.